I'm Dr. Shraddha from Skin Avenues Clinic, Kharadi. Today I'll be talking about Medifacials. Medifacial is in vogue these days. So I will tell you all the difference between a Medifacial and a salon facial, and also the various indications and the types of Medifacials available. So see, a salon facial is normally done at a salon where a therapist will be doing the session for you, whereas a Medifacial will be, it is done at a doctor's clinic or at a cosmetology center where a doctor or a trained therapist would be doing the session for you all. Again, in a salon facial, we have a very fixed range of products or a very fixed number of kits that can be used for various skin types. Whereas in a Medifacial, normally the facials can be customized. We can use a lot of permutation and combination depending on the skin type, also the concern areas, or also your skin problems that need to be targeted. Again, salon facial gives you a temporary result. It doesn't give you a long-lasting result. Whereas in a Medifacial, since we club lasers, or since we can also club various radiofrequency devices, polishing, different machinery usually, so it gives you a longer lasting result and it's completely safe, as you will be doing it at a doctor's clinic, so there are no chances or there are no worries of any allergies or any wrong products that can be used on your face. So this is the difference between a salon and a Medifacial. Now, what are the indications for a Medifacial? Now, actually everything, all kind of skin type, all kind of skin problems can be targeted with the Medifacial. So be it oily skin or an acne prone skin, a dull, dehydrated, dry skin, or pigmentation or acne marks, even open pores can be targeted with Medifacial. Obviously we need a lot of other things also to be clubbed along with Medifacial if you have a problematic skin, but it works wonders for all kind of skin types. So the third, the various types of Medifacials which are available these days and which are, very much, in vogue are Hydrafacial. Then we have Oxyfacial. We have also various mesotherapy based facials. We have Botox facial. Then there is an LED light mask therapy. It's also a kind of facial which can be clubbed, or it's a standalone treatment also. Then there is laser facial, carbon peel. Carbon peel is nothing but a laser facial. So we use either a fractionated laser, or we can use a full switch laser for the same. So these are the various indications for a facial and the various types of facials available. So which type to choose? So when you visit a doctor's clinic, he or she will be designing a facial for you depending on your concerns. So an oily skin can go for a more of a peel based or an AHA BHA based facials. Oxyfacial works great. Or a dry dull skin or an extremely dehydrated skin, Hydrafacial is recommended, which actually works on your hydration level and gives you that great amount of glow. Rejuvenation is another important indication for Medifacials. So I think this is it, and we will be covering the remaining things in our subsequent videos. Like I'll be showing you a demo of the Hydrafacial, just the machine and what are the various probes involved, and in my video after that I'll be also focusing on the Oxyfacial that we have here in our clinic. So you'll get an idea of the various facials available and which facial to choose from, or you can at least think about a Medifacial next time. I would also like to add that facial doesn't mean that only women should get it done. Men these days have become very conscious, and they should be. They, whoever is in a client-facing industry or who needs to meet a lot of people, and even if it's not that case, you have to do something for your own good. You have to do something for yourself, right? So men and women likewise can go for this facial, and it works great for your skin. And if you have any queries, you can definitely mail us. Our email ID is on the screen. Please like and subscribe to the video. Thank you so much.